Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change language on AliExpress in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your AliExpress application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Tap onto the profile icon from the down right corner. Once you are in the profile interface, you will see a small globe icon which represents the language settings. Tap on it. Here, you have to scroll down through the list and select your preferred language. For example, let's change it into the United Kingdom. And here you have to select the state. Let's select England. Now select city. After selecting your language, the website will automatically refresh and all the text will appear in your chosen language. Easy, right? This is how you change your language on AliExpress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.